Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good, ma'am.
I understand you speak English well, yes?
Yes.
What is your name?
Ramesh Mohammed Akram. My name is Akram.
Akram.
Yes.
Okay. So, Akram, what is your age?
29.
29. You're married?
Yes.
You have children? No children. I see you started working in construction
Yes.
and now you work in for catering service.
Yes.
What do you do in I experience in the catering service about 6 years?
Yes.
What do you do there exactly?
Here I work waiter assistant chef. After Corona, after I will work waiter. All the catering and that. The birthday function and wedding function, only that.
Okay. Are you also cooking or just assistant?
No, only just cutting and
Assistant.
help.
Okay. Well then, why do you want to go to Romania?
Maybe if I really learn, that's why I had to see in Europe countries.
Okay. Let's see. You have quite a few years, so what I would like you to do.
Any item.
Okay, you can take one of these carrots,
Okay.
and you can peel it and cut it for me in, let's say, 3 different styles. And then, you not necessarily all, like half of it. I'm going to take some part of the green,
Okay.
cut it also, and arrange them on the plate.
Three different cutting?
No. This one, up to you. You choose the way you cut it.
I cut this one.
Thanks.